Hey guys, welcome back. So you can see these pictures at first. So these are basically my introduction for today. I lost the introduction part, so I'm putting all these pictures of today's look. Today's look is inspired by 90s retro makeup look, which is proper wing and with red lip. Okay, this look was created by none other than Deboshri Banerjee. Of course, all of you know her very well. So I'm going to recreate that look. This is a dotted winged eyeliner. You can see the procedure further. And these pictures I've clicked on my mobile phone. These pictures are not edited at all. Only the black and white ones are edited, of course. You can understand that. So if you are interested, if you want to watch the full video, continue watching. So at first I'm going to hydrate my skin as usual. I need the hydration. Okay, so next I'll be putting some Wet n Wild concealer. You can see I'm just applying the concealer where I need the most. I'm not applying it everywhere because it is summer, it is humid. We do not want to cake up our face and do not want to make us look like a clown or joker something. Okay, let's move on. So I'll going to apply some powder. I have an oily face, so I'm applying powder. If you have normal to dry skin, then do not apply powder. I'm using the Maybelline pressed powder, which is the compact powder. Okay, by the way, the joker part was a joke. If you want to do heavy makeup, you can do it. It's your choice. No. Okay, let's move on. So you can see I'm bronzing my face a little. I'm using the Sivana Colors bronzer. This is well pigmented and well suited for my skin tone. I'm basically bringing back the shape and the color which I had on my face. This is very important, but if you want to skip this part for daily basis or in general, then you can totally skip this part. You can see I'm bronzing my eyelid as well, which is not important or necessary because she did not said that. I'm just doing it. Okay, now I'm contouring my nose a bit. Okay, Deboshri did not show any face makeup uh, routine, so I'm doing it like I want to. You can do it as you like. Now I'm defining my eyebrow with a Swiss Beauty dark brown pencil. You can see I'm drawing small strokes and filling it in. Now you can see I'm brushing off the excess product and making it more natural. You can see the difference, right? Before and after. Okay, now this is the main part. So this is the wing eyeliner part. She said to use anything with well rounded tip. So I got this hairpin. You can use anything with the rounded mouth, and I'm dipping it in my eyeliner pot. I'm using the Lakme eyeliner, the basic Lakme eyeliner, and you can see I'm starting it with my inner corner, and then I'm going back to my outer corner and drawing a wing with dots. Do it very slowly because it looks very simple, but it is not. Trust me. This is the time when I realized that. Okay, so do it very slowly. You can see I'm now kind of joining both the outer corner and inner corner together with dots. So start with thin lines and then join another thin line of dots and make it bigger. If you prefer a thin eyeliner, thin wing eyeliner, then keep it that way. I like it more bolder and bigger, so I'm adding a lot of dots and making it more bigger. That is what she said. This is how she said to do it. I watched her video like twice before starting this video, so this is how she have done that in her video. So I'm doing same on the another eye, and I left that eye like that only because I want to even that out. So same procedure, inner corner then outer corner, maintaining the wing shape. Okay, I'm a little scared, you know. Okay, I'm joining some more dots. So the trick is use a waterproof eyeliner. If you make any mistakes, use makeup remover and remove it. Otherwise, use a waterproof eyeliner, liquid eyeliner especially, and do not open your eyes very wide. Keep it little close if you can, and that will make it very easier to finish. So I'm guilty of something. I stopped recording the video and started to recorrect if I had made any mistake. Then I added some more dots, and then I ended up with this. Okay, I like it. This is what I wanted, but I did not record it. I did not shoot it, which is very bad. Now I'm curling my lashes. And adding some mascara. Okay, I was super scared at this time because it was a little wet, like my eyeliner was wet. Now I'm doing the red lip, the main part, another main part. I'm drawing a lip line with a, I think, Mars lip liner, because I do not have a lot of red lip powders or lip liners or lipsticks. So I'm using whatever I have with me. I'm more of a burgundy kind of a girl, so I have a lot of maroons and burgundies, but this is what I have with me. You can use any of your favorite lipstick, but red is well suited for this look. Now she added her blush as lipstick. So this is the final look. You can see, I think it's okay. I'm not sure how I have done. I hope you like it. I hope I have done something. Thank you for watching, everyone. Take care. Do subscribe and like. I love you. Bye.